Hey, this is Ketogenic Jim. What we're doing today is a really quick and easy yogurt dressing. It's a very traditional Indian dressing that you get for papadums or like an Indian salad. It consists of yogurt, cucumber, and some spices. It's really tasty. We're going to get to it. Okay, today what we're going to do is what's called an Indian Raita, R-A-I-T-A. It's a cucumber salad with the yogurt dressing. So that takes 2 cucumbers, 1 green chili, about 30 grams of mint, just a good bit of mint, some Greek yogurt, some cumin, and some salt. If you want to do just the yogurt dressing, you just take away the cucumber. Okay, so now we're going to cut our cucumber into smaller chunks. Okay, now to make our yogurt dressing. First, we're just going to cut up 1 green chili. Then we're going to put it in the blender along with a few other things to just give it a smooth texture. We're going to add the 30 grams of mint, about a half a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of cumin. And then we're going to put in about 2 cups of Greek yogurt. You want to get full fat, original style, as low carbohydrate as possible. And then we're going to blend it. Okay, now everything's blended through, it's nice and creamy. I'm just gonna put in, I'd say about half of this mixture into the cucumber, and kind of just mix this through. And then we'll add the rest, once this is mixed through, to our bowl to save as another dressing. And we're just gonna cover this in tin foil and let that sit until we're ready to eat it. And what we're going to do, instead of putting it in a bowl, we're just going to put it in this little cup here. Just going to finish off the rest of our yogurt into this. Perfect for salads, for dips. It's a really good alternative to mayonnaise or anything like that if you have room for it in your carbs. It's really, really good, tasty, very, very fragrant, very, very fresh sauce, really. You can put it on a lot of different things. You can even mix this with a lot more spices and give it an Indian style marinade on chicken, on lamb, a lot of different things. It's extremely versatile. All right, and that is our Riata and our Indian yogurt dressing. I really hope you like it. Definitely try it. It's fantastic. Really, really fresh dressing. It's beautiful. If you like my videos and like my recipes, please give a like and subscribe, comment down below. You can follow my Instagram. It's Ketogenic Jim, just like my YouTube channel. If you want to talk to me on Twitter, it's Ketogenic Jim. And I'm going to be having a ketogenic course coming up soon. Get in touch with me at ketogenicjim@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.